name is Kayla and I'm a street skater. So today I'm here with my friends, Sydney, Evelyn, and Kelly, and we're gonna be skating on this ledge here. They're gonna be doing some different grinds and stalls, and I'm just gonna be giving them some feedback so that they can improve on their techniques. For this, we're gonna think of it with the grind in mind. So even if we're doing just a stall for right now, we wanna think of eventually when we have the stall down, which way do we feel more comfortable grinding. Right. We'll probably set up on the ledge facing this way so that your right foot is the one leading you. And then just working on stepping off that way. If you're ready and you're willing to do the jump, I would suggest just doing a slow roll and just doing your jump. Like as you saw, it's a lot smoother.
I want to work on 50s. I'm not super confident with like totally jumping on with both feet yet, but I want to hold them for longer, even just stepping on.
Okay. The first thing I think you should focus on, because your 50 really is rooted in your back foot. It's all about sitting back into your back heel. Okay. So you don't really want to be able to like lift your toes, have no weight on your toes. It's just all in this back heel. And so you really want to be able to trust this back leg. But with your 50, I'm noticing it looks like this foot's coming up, and then once this foot gets up, you're kind of leaning forward. So my biggest tip would be to actually first practice some MAKIOS. And once you get into the MAKIO, really just sit into it. Yeah, the more you're on top of it, the more you're going to be able to really keep that balance. Okay. And also, the faster you're going, the easier it is to balance. Hang, you can do whatever.
Oh, that was better already.
Yep. Keep sitting into that a little bit. And then once you're really into that, this foot's really just for decoration on the front. So you're really riding your back foot, and the front one is just kind of there, lightly there. And you're gonna, the way I do it is I tuck my front knee over my back knee.
Hello, I am Rich. Today I'll be practicing sweat stance.
No.
Sweat stance on the ledges. Because I realize they feel very different than on ramps.
Nice. So that was really good. Things that are really good about it are your approach, your angle, the way you're jumping, your shoulders, and your hips are all aligned like the way they should be, I would say. The only thing is, like, your shoulders are pretty good, but if you can turn them just a tiny bit more, open them just a tiny bit more, that might help. And then just bend all together, bending more. But actually jumping down the ledge a little bit, instead of looking like as you're coming in, you're looking right here and then you're just jumping right here. Yeah. Try to like look down, and actually as you're jumping, like you'll jump from here, but you'll land like way over here.
Gotcha.
That's usually like how I'll do it. And it just, since you're flying through the air as you're like moving forward, it's just, you have so much momentum still going once you hit, like you just kind of go. So I would try to aim down just a tiny bit and then sink into that front foot, lunge into it a tiny, and then point this knee down just a little bit, enough to get your wheels off from being like flat.